Hello, welcome. So today we are going to make a lightning bathing bar soap. This is Home Magic Woman again. And as you know, before we start any kind of production, I'm going to introduce you to all the ingredients that we are going to be using for this lightning bar soap. So first of all, let us start. This is our PK oil, 1 liter. 1 liter of PK oil, and this is our bleached red oil, 1 liter also. So these are the two oils I'll be using for this particular bar soap. The reason I want to combine oil, yes, you can use only PK oil, but the problem with PK oil is that the soap will lather very well, but it won't last. And I believe you don't want your customers to be complaining that your soap finishes so fast. But when you combine it with bleached red oil, it's going to make the soap to lather very well and not finish fast. So have you seen the reason why I'm using the two oils? Okay, let's continue. So here is our caustic soda, Iye solution. I have already soaked this caustic soda for 2 good days. That's 48 hours. So I used 250 grams of caustic soda and soaked it in 1.5 liter of water. That's 1.5 liters of water. And it has stayed for 48 hours. So here is the powders we are going to use. Here is our Kojic powder. Yes, I've already weighed it, so I don't want to waste our time weighing it again. This is just 15 grams. Yes, 15 grams. Then this is our licorice powder. It is also 15 grams. Yes, it's also 15 grams. So this is our pine oil. This pine oil is going to serve as our perfume and also is antimicrobial because it takes care of skin infection like eczema, acne and the rest. So it's very, very good. That's what we are going to be using. So it's going to serve two purposes for us. It's going to serve as our antibacterial agent and also serve as a perfume. Is going to give you that I don't know whether you know Delta soap. It's going to give you that the same scent with Delta soap brand. So that's it. So this is my color. I'll be using a pink color. So I'd not even weigh my color, but I got this color for 100 naira. So I'll be using it for this soap. So let us continue. So right now what I will do is to combine my oils together. So I'm going to combine my bleached red oil. Make sure it's well bleached. Yes, you can see I'm already combining my oils together. So this is my bleached red oil. You can see the color is well bleached. Please make sure you bleach it very well. So after the whole production, I will be pouring the soap here. It's just a local constructed soap mold. So let us continue. So right now we are going to add our pink color. Yes, we are going to be adding our pink color into our already fermented caustic soda solution. I don't think I'll be using all this whole color. So I'm just going to remain very small. Let me see how it goes. So you stir it very well. Stir it very well. Stir your color very well. In fact, let me finish it. Hey, so I finished the 100 naira color. So I just want to use pink color. You can use any color of your choice. And it's not also a must that you will use a pine oil. You can decide to use any perfume of your choice. Yes. Yeah, when it comes to the lightening powders I'm using, so we have a lot of lightening powders. It's already in our ebook. It's not a must you are going to use kojic acid and licorice powder. You have other lightening powders that you can use to make your soap, but I just want to use kojic acid and licorice. Please, you can also do like me and use the same thing. So now we are finished stirring our color inside our solution, inside our caustic soda solution. So right now what I will do is to add my pine oil inside my oil. So see me adding it. This is me adding the pine oil. So what I will do is to stir it very well. You will notice that my oil altogether is 2 liters now. And my solution is 1.5 liters. Please make sure that your oil is always bigger than your caustic soda solution. Yes, it will, so that your soap will come out very well. So right now I will be adding my powders inside my oil and stirring them very well. I'll be adding it one after the other. Then I will stir it very well so that it will dissolve completely. Please stir very well. Because I want my powders to completely dissolve inside my oil, I'm using my electric mixer to mix it very well. So it's completely mixed now, as you can see. So it's time for me to now add my caustic soda solution inside my oil. So what you do now is to stir it very well. I'm going to go back to use my mixer again to mix the two properly. I'm going to use my mixer right now to mix it very well. So I'm already mixing my soap together. My oil and my caustic soda solution, I'm mixing them together. I want it to be well mixed and blend very well. So my soap is completely blended. So is right now I'll be transferring it to my mold, improvised wooden mold. See what I'm doing?